Welcome to mathematics class, system of circles part 2. So long answer type questions. Let us solve some questions. Find the equation of the circle which passes through 1, 1. And cuts orthogonally each of the circle x square plus y square minus 8x minus 2y plus 16 is equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y minus 1 is equal to 0. 1, 1 బిందువు గుండా పోతూ ఈ రెండు వృత్తాలకు లంబంగా ఉండే వృత్త సమీకరణాన్ని కనుక్కోవాలి. Let the given circles as 1 and 2 and let the required equation of the circle let the కావలసిన వృత్త సమీకరణం x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 అనుకోండి. Let this equation be 3. So from equation 1, so g value, half of the x coefficient, 2g minus 8. So g1 minus 8, 2f1 minus 2, c1 16. So g1 minus 8 by 2, that is minus 4. f1 minus 2 by 2 minus 1 and c1 is 16. So these are the GFC values in first circle. Similarly, we can write GFC values in second circle. 2g2 minus 4 and g2 is minus 4 by 2 is minus 2 2f2 minus 4 and f2 is also minus 2 and c2 is minus 1. After writing GFC values in both the circles, now applying the condition of orthogonality, lambanga unte niyamam, condition for orthogonality is 2 G1 G2 2 F1 F2 is equal to C1 plus C2. Using this condition, third equation, required circle equation is orthogonal to first circle. So 2G, so G1 value first circle is minus 4. G1 value is minus 4 plus 2 F1 is F and F2 value. The second F2 value in first circle is minus 1. C1 take it as C plus C2 is 16. Here we are comparing the circles 3 and 1. You remember the third circle and first. So in third one, GFC, in first one, G1, F1, C1. So substituting these values to G1, G2, F1, F2, C plus C1, C2, we get one equation. In GFC, 4 into 2 minus 8G, 2 into minus 1, and you can write as it is equal to C plus 16. Let us call it equation 4. Now 3 is also perpendicular to second equation. So in equation 3 is the general equation. So in general equation, G1 is G, F1 is F, C1 is C. And in second equation, G2 is G2, F2, F2, C2, C2. So substituting in condition, so 2G and G2 is minus 2. So 2F, F2 is minus 2. C is C and C2 is minus 1. Simplifying, 2 minus 2 minus 4G minus 4F C minus 1. Let this equation be 5. Now the required circle equation 3 passing through 1, 1. So substituting this point in general equation, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. 1 plus 1 plus 2g plus 2f plus c. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2g plus 2f. So c becomes minus c plus 2 becomes minus 2. Let this be as equation 6. Now using 4, 5, 6, we can find GFC values. Subtracting 5 minus 4 minus 8g minus 2f c plus 16, fourth equation. Fifth equation, minus 4g minus 4f is equal to c minus 1. Subtracting c will get cancelled. Minus 8 plus 4 minus 4g minus 2 plus 2f 16 1 17. Let this be equation 7. C is eliminated. C ni tolagincham. Now equation 5 plus 6, adding 5 plus 6 minus 4g minus 4f c minus 1, fifth equation, and 2g plus 2f minus c minus 2. So adding this c minus c will get cancelled. Minus 4g plus 2g minus 2g minus 2f is equal to minus 3. So multiplying with minus 2g plus 2f is equal to 3. Let us take this as equation 8. Solving 7 and 8. 7 and 8. Solving 7, 8. Seventh equation, minus 4g plus 2f is equal to 17. 2g minus 2f, 2g plus 2f is equal to 3 is the eighth equation. Subtracting, so minus 2f will get cancelled. Minus 6g is equal to 17 minus 3. Minus 6g is equal to 14, and g value 14 by minus 6, that is minus 7 by 3 is g value, and substituting g value minus 7 by 3 in equation 8, that is 2g plus 2f is equal to 3. So 2f is equal to 3. 2 into 7 minus 14 becomes plus 14 by 3. Taking LCM 339, that is 23 by 3 2f. So f value 23 by 2 into 3, 6. And substituting GF values in equation 6, substituting G value minus 7 by 3 and F value minus 23 by 6 in equation 6. So 6 equation 2G plus 2F is equal to minus C minus 2G plus 2F is equal to minus C minus 2. So 2 one time and 3. Now bringing this side 2 into 7 is 23 by 3 plus 2 is equal to minus LCM 3 into 2 is 6. 23 6 29 29 minus 14 minus C plus 29 minus 14 by 3, that is 9, that is 15 by 3. So minus C is equal to 5 and C is equal to minus 5. So substituting in the given equation, substituting G minus 7 by 3, F minus F 23 by 6, C value minus 5 in general equation 3, we get the required equation of the circle plus 2G x 2F y plus C value minus 5. 2 3 times, multiplying all terms by 3 into x square plus y square 2 into 7 minus 14 plus 23y, and 3 into 5, 15 is the required equation of the circle. Now let us take up one more. Very simple. Using the conditions orthogonal, we get two equations, and passing the point, we get another equation. Just like in the circles, passing through 3 points, we get 3 equations. Solving them, we get GFC values. And the next question, find the equation of the circle. Which is orthogonal to each of the following circles. ఈ కింది వృత్తాలకు లంబంగా ఉండే వృత్త సమీకరణాన్ని కనుక్కోవాలి. x² y² plus 2x plus 17y plus 4 is equal to 0. x² y² plus 7x plus 6y plus 11 is equal to 0. x² y² minus x plus 22y plus 3 is equal to 0. Let the circles be 1, 2, 3. ఇచ్చిన సమీకరణాలను 1, 2, 3 అనుకోవాలి. And let the required equation of the circle x² y² 2gx 2fy c be the equation 4. So in first equation, g value, let us take it as g1. So 2 by 2 is 1. X coefficient lo sagam. F value y coefficient lo sagam. Half of the y coefficient. I am writing direct. Instead of taking 2g value, 2f value. So x pakana lo sagam. C value constant. In second circle, G2, x pakana lo sagam, that is 7 by 2. F2, 6 by 2. C2 is 11. So in third circle, that is G3 value, x coefficient lo sagam, minus 1 by 2. F3, 22 by 2 is 11. C3 is 3. So in 3 circles, GFC values. After writing these GFC values, now take the condition for orthogonal condition. 2g1, g2, f1, f2, c1 plus c2 is the orthogonal condition. If two circles are orthogonal, then this is the condition. Now here, the required circle 4 is orthogonal to 1, 4 is orthogonal to 2, 4 is orthogonal to 3. So this fourth circle is orthogonal to first circle. ఈ నాలుగవ వృత్తం మొదటి దానికి లంబంగా ఉంటుంది, రెండవ దానికి లంబంగా ఉంటుంది, మూడవ దానికి లంబంగా ఉంటుంది. కాబట్టి ఒక్కొక్క వృత్తం తీసుకున్నప్పుడు ఒక్కొక్క కండిషన్ మనకు వస్తుంది. సో ఫస్ట్ let us take the fourth equation is orthogonal to first equation. So substituting in, so G1 value as G and G2 value in first equation, G value is 1 and 2F, and take the F2 value from first equation as 17/2 and C1 value C, C2 value 4. So first GFC is general equation values. So 117/2, 4 are first equation values, GFC values. So this is GF, 2 will get cancelled, plus 17F is equal to C plus 4. Let us call it as equation 5. Now taking the condition fourth circle orthogonal to second circle. Now 2G, the second G2 value from second equation is 7/2 and 2F, F2 value from second equation is 3 and C2 value from second equation is 11. So 2 will get cancelled. That is 7G, 6F, C plus 11. Let us call it as sixth equation. Now taking another condition, the fourth equation is perpendicular to third. So to G2 value from third minus 1/2, F2 value from third 11, C2 value from third is 3. This is minus G, 22F, C plus 3. Let it be equation 7. Now from 5, 6, 7, eliminating C and then solving them, we get GF values. Now equation 5 minus equation 6. The fifth equation, 2G plus 17F, C plus 4, and the sixth equation, 7G plus 6F, C plus 11. Subtracting them, C will get cancelled. Minus 7 plus 2, minus 5G, 17 minus 6, plus 11F is equal to 11 minus 4, minus 7. Let it be equation 8. Now C eliminate అయింది. 6 minus 7 చేద్దాం. Sixth equation minus seventh equation. 7G plus 6F is equal to 6 plus 11. And seventh equation, minus G plus 22F, C plus 3. Subtracting, plus, minus, minus, minus. C will get cancelled. 7 plus G, 8G, 22 plus 6 minus 16, 11 minus 3, 8. So dividing by 8, this is G minus 2F is equal to 1. Let us call it equation 9. From 8 and 9, solving 8 and 9, equation 8 and 9. Solving 8 and 9. I'm writing 8th equation as it is, minus 5G plus 11F is equal to minus 7. And multiplying equation 9 with 5. తొమ్మిదవ సమీకరణ మొత్తాన్ని 5తో గుణించగా, సో 5G 5 into 2, 10F 5 into 1, 5. So adding minus 5G plus 5G will get cancelled. Plus 11 minus 10, F. So F value is minus 2. Now substituting this F value in equation 9, substituting F is equal to minus 2 in equation 9, that is G minus 2F, G minus 2F is equal to 1, G plus 2 into 2, 4. So G is equal to 1 minus 4, that is G value is minus 3. Substituting G and F in 7th equation. Substituting G value and F value in 7th equation, that is minus G plus 22F is equal to C plus 3, plus 3 minus 44 and minus 3 is equal to C. Plus 3 minus 3 will get cancelled. So therefore C value is minus 44. C value is minus 44. So now we have all the values. G value minus G value minus 3, F value minus 2, C minus 44. Substituting these values in the required equation 4, that is x square y square plus 2g x plus 2f y and plus c, x square y square minus 6x 4y minus 44 is the required circle. As simple as circle questions. Substituting the GFC values, finding the 3 equations in GFC by using the conditions and solving them, eliminating C first and then solving them for GF. We get these values. Now let us solve one more question. Find the equation of the circle. Same question, which is orthogonal to each of the following circles. X square y square plus 4x minus 7 2x square 2y square plus 3x plus 5y minus 9 x square plus y square plus y is equal to 0. You can do this as the previous problem, taking the general equation as the required circle and using the orthogonal condition to G1, G2, F1, F2, C1 plus C2. You will get three equations. Solving them, you will get FG. C values in this method also you can do it. And there is another method. Let us solve this in a different method. So finding the circle which is orthogonal to the given three circles. రెండు పద్ధతులు ఉన్నాయి. ఇంతకుముందు ప్రీవియస్ ప్రాబ్లం చేసినట్టు చేయొచ్చు, లేదా యూ కెన్ యూజ్ ద అదర్ మెథడ్. దీన్ని సెకండ్ మెథడ్లో చేద్దాం. త్రీ సర్కిల్స్. సో ఫస్ట్ ఫైండింగ్ ద radical center and finding the length of the tangent as a radius, and then taking this as radius we can find the equation of the circle. So this dotted circle is the circle which is required, which it is orthogonal to or each of the three circles. So this is another method. In this way also you can do the previous problem. Now finding the radical axis of first, second, third. So name it first equation. Second equation, now it is not in the standard form. 2x square 2y square ఉంది. దీన్ని ఫస్ట్ 2తో డివైడ్ చేస్తే స్టాండర్డ్ ఫామ్ లోకి వస్తుంది. Now let first equation as it is. This is the first circle. Second circle standard లో లేదు కాబట్టి dividing the second circle by 2, you will get standard form. అంటే x square y square లో ఉండాలి ఈక్వేషన్. సో 3/2 and 5/2 and 9/2. So ఇది second equation in standard form. And third equation, x square y square. The first and third already in standard form, you need not change them. ఓన్లీ సెకండ్ ఈక్వేషన్ 2x² 2y² ఉంది కాబట్టి దీన్ని మొత్తాన్ని 2తో డివైడ్ చేస్తే ఇది స్టాండర్డ్ ఫామ్లోకి వస్తుంది. సో ఎప్పుడైనా జిఎఫ్సి వాల్యూస్ కంపేర్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు ఈక్వేషన్ స్టాండర్డ్ ఫామ్లో ఉందా లేదా చూసుకోవాలి. స్టాండర్డ్ ఫామ్లో ఉన్నప్పుడే జిఎఫ్సి వాల్యూస్ను మనం కంపేర్ చేసి రాసుకోవాలి. సో ఇఫ్ ద ఈక్వేషన్ ఈజ్ not in standard form, first make it in standard form, then compare the xy coefficients 2g 2f, then take the values. So these are the given 3 circles. Now the radical axis of first 2 circles, radical axis, moolaksham of first and second circles. So first minus second will give us radical. So overall గా subtract చేయొచ్చు. మనకు ఫస్ట్ సర్కిల్ సెకండ్ సర్కిల్ లేదా 1 - 3 చేద్దాం. ఈజీ ఉంది ఇది ఫ్రాక్షన్ లేకుండా. ఓకే 1 - 2 no problem. Three by 2x minus y minus 9/2. ఇది గుర్తులు మారుతాయి. x² y² will get cancelled. 4x minus 3/2x. 4 minus 3/2x and only y term is not there. Minus 5/2y and constants minus 7 plus 9/2. 2 into 4, 8 minus 3 by 2 minus 5/2. 7 into 2 minus 14, or you can write as it is minus 7 plus 9/2. Now multiplying all each term by 2, this 2 will get cancelled. So 8 minus 3, 5, 2 will get cancelled. This is 5y and 2 into 7 minus 14. 2 into 9/2 is 9. So 5x minus 5y minus 5. So dividing with 5, x minus y minus 1. So let it be equation 4. This is the radical axis. You can look at the figure 1 and 2, this blue line, radical axis. And we need one more radical axis. Now let us calculate the radical axis of, you can take 1, 2, 3 or 1, 3. Now the first equation, second equation are simple compared to other. Now let us take radical axis of 1 and 3 circles. So now this is the radical axis of 1 and 2. So this is the radical axis of 1 and 2 circles. Now let us find radical Moolaksham, first circle and third circle. So subtracting 1 minus 3, we get radical axis. X square, y square, the first one, x square, y square plus 4x minus 7, x square, y square plus y is equal to 0. Subtracting x square, y square will get cancelled. So 4x minus y minus 7. Let us call equation 5. So solving them, we get radical center 4 and 5. Solving the 4 and 5. So now this is the second radical axis. Solving them, we get radical center. మనకు రెండు మూలాక్షరాలు కనుక్కొని వాటిని సాధిస్తే మూల కేంద్రం వస్తుంది. సో సాల్వింగ్ 4 and 5. Fourth equation, x minus y minus 1 now solving 4 and 5, x minus y minus 1, fourth equation, 4x minus y minus 7. So subtract చేస్తే గుర్తులు మారుతాయి. Y will get cancelled. Minus 4 minus plus 1 minus 3x, 7 minus 1 plus 6. So minus 3x ఇక్కడ రాసుకుంటే plus 6 is equal to 3x. So x value is 2. ఇప్పుడు x value substituting x is equal to 2 in fourth equation, that is x minus y minus 1. X minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. So 2 minus y ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది. 2 minus 1, 1 is equal to y. So y value is 1. So therefore radical center, మూల కేంద్రం x value 2, y value 1. So ఇది radical center. రాడికల్ సెంటర్ వచ్చింది. ఇప్పుడు రేడియస్ మనకు కావాల్సిన సర్కిల్ కు సెంటర్ ఇది. నౌ రేడియస్ ఆఫ్ రిక్వైర్డ్ సర్కిల్ is nothing but length of the tangent from the center to any one of the circles. మనకు కన్వీనియంట్ కు ఫస్ట్ సర్కిల్ సెకండ్ ఏదైనా తీసుకోవచ్చు. థర్డ్ ఈక్వేషన్ సింపుల్ గా ఉంది కాబట్టి ఆర్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ లెంత్ ఆఫ్ ద టాంజెంట్ from the radical center 2, 1 to the circle third, or you can take first circle, second circle also as radius. So length of the tangent ante enti manaku under root S11 అనేది formula. So using this formula, that is S11 అంటే పాయింట్ సర్కిల్ లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. ఇన్ ప్లేస్ ఆఫ్ x 2, సో x స్క్వేర్ అంటే 2 స్క్వేర్. ఇన్ ప్లేస్ ఆఫ్ y 1 స్క్వేర్ 1. సో దట్ ఈస్ 4 ప్లస్ 1 ప్లస్ 1 root 6. So r value is root 6. So taking center 2, 1 and radius root 6, the equation of the circle center 2, 1 and radius root 6. Center 2, 1 and radius root 6. Center, let the center HK. So formula x minus h whole square y minus k whole square is equal to radius square. Substituting in this, h value 2, k value 1, so root 6 square, x square minus 4x plus 4, a square minus 2ab b square, y square minus 2y plus 1, this is 6. So x square and y square minus 4x minus 2y, 4 plus 1, 5 and minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, the required circle y square minus 4x minus 2y, 5 minus 6 is minus 1 is the required circle, which is orthogonal to the following, all the 3 circles. So this second, third problem are similar. There are 2 methods. You can take the required circle as general equation, and using the condition, orthogonal condition, you will get 3 simultaneous equations in GFC. Solving them, you will get GFC values, and substituting in general equation, we can get the required equation of the circle. That is one method. We did second problem in that method. And there is another method, second method for the same problem, that is by using radical axis and finding radical center and taking the length of the tangent from the center to any one of the circles as the radius, and taking the center and radius and using the formula x minus h whole square y minus k whole square is equal to r square, we find the required equation of the circle. సో ఈ ఆర్థోగోనల్ గా ఉండే సర్కిల్ కనుక్కోవడానికి 2 పద్ధతులు ఉన్నాయి. మనం సెకండ్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఒక పద్ధతిలో చేసినాం, థర్డ్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఇంకొక పద్ధతిలో చేసినాం. మీరు సెకండ్ ఈక్వేషన్ కూడా ఈ పద్ధతిలో చేయొచ్చు. యూ కెన్ ట్రై ఇట్ at home. These are long answer type questions in this chapter. So practice them. Thank you. Thank you for watching.